So we all have visions, dreams and goals, but how do we convert them into reality? Hi, my name is Sunil Parekh. I am a subconscious mind expert and I have been teaching the power of words and thoughts for the past 13 years. So in this video I am going to explain in detail. I'm going to give you the specific steps. You can call it like a recipe for achieving your goals. As long as you follow all the steps, you will achieve the goals. Okay? So the first step is be clear of what you want to achieve in your life. If you don't have clarity, it's never going to happen. And if you are confused, should I go to Ahmedabad, should I go to Kolkata, then it's never going to work because your mind is going to keep running from one place to another. So my suggestion is take 2 to 3 hours, just sit down in silence, no phones, nothing, no disturbance. Just sit down and write down from the depth of your heart. Once you write it down, you can write it in different areas of your life like relationships, health, your career, the financial position, all areas. Sit down and write what you want. Step number 2, you need to learn how to stay focused on your goals because the mind is just like a monkey and we are living in a highly distracted environment. You can see there's so much of distractions around you. Now when the mind is distracted, how in the world are we going to achieve the goals? So we need to use an inside out approach. We need to program the subconscious mind and we need to tell the subconscious mind how that this is what you want. Okay, so for this you need to create certain tools, like you can create a dream book, you can create a vision board. You must have heard of those. Create those and keep those visual tools in front of you. Tell your monkey mind every single day what is it that you want to accomplish. So have those visual elements in front of you like a goal book, vision board. So that's step number 2. Step number 3 is learning how to connect with your subconscious mind every day. Because your conscious mind only knows what you have learned in your school, in your college, in your job. So that's only going to help you achieve to a certain extent. But your subconscious mind is the infinite intelligence that lies within you. So if you are looking at achieving bigger dreams which your logical mind is not able to accept, you have to go to your creative mind, which is your subconscious mind. So generally the best time to connect with your subconscious mind is before sleeping. Okay? So that's going to be step number 4. Step number 3 is connect with your subconscious mind every day. Step number 4 is create a picture in your mind, like an imagination of what you want to achieve just before you go to sleep. That's called visualization. Okay? So just before you sleep, sit up on your bed, close your eyes, calm yourself down and visualize the picture. Imagine the picture of the goal in your mind as if it's actually happening. Okay? Now, I know it sounds funny, like just looking at the picture can goals manifest, but no, what you're doing here is when you imagine the picture in your mind, you're giving a command to your inner mind that this is what I want to create. And then your inner mind starts to work 24 hours even while you're sleeping. And it creates all those ideas and opportunities and situations which will help you to accomplish your goal. Now, when you do that regularly, and you need to do it minimum for 40 days, okay? Before you sleep and as soon as you get up in the morning, the inner mind starts to give you all the resources that can help you to achieve the goals. People, events, ideas, situations and circumstances. All these things is the next step is to really grab these things and take necessary action. Now there is a set of actions we obviously take. If you want to score good marks in your exams, you have to study. But those are called obvious actions, which our conscious mind takes. But then there are those actions which your subconscious mind tells you, which are called inspired actions. So we need to take 2 types of actions, obvious and inspired. And when you keep moving, keep following the guidance that you receive from inside, keep working hard, don't give up in the process, you will achieve every single goal. So this is the process to follow. Now there are obstacles that come in the path. To learn about how you can overcome those obstacles, there are external obstacles, internal obstacles, and if you really want to learn how to overcome any obstacle to achieving your goal, you can join our workshop called Be the Limitless You. It's available both in the online and offline form. So I look forward to see you on the other side, and I would like to thank you for watching this video. For more such videos, follow us. So as we always say at Rise Development Academy, सोच बदलो दुनिया बदलो.